Hello everybody, Namaste. These are 400 rupee notes, Indian currency notes, which I've kept on a clean towel, which I've kept on a clean bed sheet. And I want to tell you something about these notes, and yes, I want to sell them off. These notes were procured just day before yesterday from the bank here, and today is 6th November 2023. And I'll just flip over these notes so that you can see their back sides. And before I flip them over, I would like you to note their serial numbers. In the serial number, the prefix is 1 kp and it is for all of these notes, and the plate letter is F, and all the notes start with 000. They're from the same packet, or you call it bundle, or you call it whatever. I don't know that. Okay, this first one is 1 kp 000963. Second one 1 kp 000966. Third one 1 kp 000969. And fourth one 1 kp 000970. And now I will flip them over, and then you can see the year of manufacturing or minting, छापने का साल. I have flipped them over. This is the 9631 wala, the 966 towards the end, the 969 wala, and the 970 wala. And you can see that the year is 2023. So this video is being made in 2023 and the year is 2023. Now I'm gonna flip them back, but before I do that, you can take a close look towards the rear side of these notes individually. Zero 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 963, 000966, 00969. I'm sorry, 000969, 000970. And here, let me get it back in focus. Here, so this is the back side. Now I'm gonna flip them back. There, I have flipped the notes back, and I'll tell you something more. Okay, I'm planning to actually sell them off. It's just a fun exercise, but there will be a little cost, of course, extra to each of the notes, and I'll tell you that little price and roughly as to how I've arrived at that. So for the purpose of costing, you know that there are a few standards, and which is this, that it's a 100 rupee note from the year 2023. The plate letter is F and the serial number prefix is 1 kp, and after that in the suffix 000 comes first. Towards the costing, there are again some standard things, that since this is 2023 and the note is from 2023, I will not be adding anything extra. So that figure, which takes into consideration how old the note is, that figure is 0 for all. Another thing is that I am not giving any discount, because you see the condition. Now you call it fine, you call it UNC, whatever you call it, but that is 0. Now we'll go individually to each note. And before doing that, I was just reminded there is another standard thing here, and which is this, that 2 rupees will be added to each note initially for the purpose of costing. Why those 2 rupees? I'll tell you, because it's got 3 zeros in the beginning of the suffix of the serial number. So 102 is the cost of each note separately as we begin the costing. Now why 2 rupees has been added there, for that I will need to give you a lot of explanation, so you can spare me for that. So now we go to each note separately. Okay, now after the 000 the figure is 963, and this is in a order. It ends with 3. 3 into 2 is 6, and 3 into 3 is 9. So 369 appears. It's in order, it's in reverse order. And for this feature, for this reason, uh, another 2 rupees has been added. So the cost of this note is 104 rupees. And over here 966, I am not adding anything for 966 because uh, it may not be a fancy number, that you decide. So I am not adding anything, but consider that it's got 2 6 towards the end. The devil's number, you decide. And 9 and 6 are both multiples of 3. Here again I am not adding anything to the 2 rupees which I have been adding earlier, because like in this case this is not in an order, but you can consider that 9 is flanked by 6. Sorry, I'm so sorry, 6 is flanked by 2 9s, on one on this side and one on the other side. This you can consider. Collectors can consider these things. Here I am not adding anything extra again, but consider the fact that there are 4 zeros in this serial number. This could be a factor for you. ठीक है. So 104 plus 102 plus 102 plus 102, that makes it 410. So these 4 notes totaling rupees 400 only, I am selling for only rupees 410. As I said, this is a fun exercise. I am in Delhi, so you make contact and we'll meet in Delhi and we'll do the transaction. It's cash and we'll have a little chat. It's about learning and having fun. I am serious about this, and I will just also give you a glimpse of how I've arrived at it. I'll just uh, point the camera towards my own handwriting. Just wait. Towards my